If you're tired of struggling financially, if you're tired of working hard and still not seeing results, if you want a country where your effort actually turns into money, this video can change your life. New Zealand is quietly paying foreign workers up to €5,000 per month legally, and most people don't know how to access these opportunities. Today, I'll show you how beginners can work in New Zealand, the jobs that pay the most, the visa reality, no lies, and how you can get personal help from me. Watch this video till the end. Skipping one step can cost you months or even years. Welcome back to the Adenisa channel, where we talk about working abroad, legal visas, earning better money, and changing your life step by step. If you're new here, subscribe, like this video, and share with someone who needs this information. Now let's talk about New Zealand, one of the safest, cleanest, and most opportunity-filled countries in the world. You might be wondering why New Zealand. Let's be honest, nobody relocates just for vibes. We move for money, stability, and dignity. In New Zealand, wages are high, workers are respected, overtime is paid, many jobs pay weekly, not monthly. Farm workers, factory workers, caregivers, cleaners, hospitality staff, many are earning €3,500 to €5,000 per month, depending on hours worked. And the shocking part, many of these jobs don't require RELTS. Many don't require a university degree. What they require is the right skills and correct documents. Let me break it down clearly. There are so many high demand jobs in New Zealand, like farm and agricultural workers, fruit picking and packaging, factory and food processing jobs, cleaners and hotel staff, caregivers and support workers, construction helpers, warehouse and driving jobs. Some people work 50 to 60 hours per week. That's where the money increases. This is why New Zealand keeps opening workforce and seasonal visas because they don't have enough local workers. It is important to note that all the official links, trusted job sites, and resources I mentioned in this video will be in the description box below. Please don't trust random agents in your inbox. Always use the links being put in the description or direct employers you trust. And now, here is why many people fail. They think, hey, I'll just apply and it will work. No. Your CV and cover letter matters more than the visa itself. Many people are rejected not because they are unqualified, but because their CV is wrong. New Zealand employers want simple CV, clear experience, correct format, no lies, no confusion. But before you apply anywhere, always check the description box first. I place helpful links and guidance there. People ask me every day, can I go on a visitor visa and work? Let me be very clear. You cannot work legally on a visitor visa. But this is what you can do. You can visit, you can attend interviews, you can network, and if an employer wants you, you apply for a proper work visa before starting work. Some people have been successfully converted, but it requires discipline, patience, and following rules. Again, all of these you need to take note before applying for just a visit visa if you want to eventually change it into a work visa. Now, if you're a beginner, please listen carefully. So, the first step, you need to know what job you actually qualify for, not your dreams, but reality. Maybe you're dreaming to become a doctor, but if you do not have a doctorate degree, a degree, maybe something related to the medical field, my dear, you cannot apply to become a doctor in New Zealand. Just an example. So know what job you actually qualify for, not what you dream to become. You can then follow your dreams once you're there after you have gotten the money. Step 2, prepare a New Zealand standard CV and cover letter. Apply only to real verified employers. Follow visa rules strictly, no shortcuts. You have to follow the rules. Okay? So before you rush to apply blindly, pause and go through every job carefully and make sure it's something verified that you can use. Once again, I post useful links, trusted resources, and application guidance in the description box. And let me be honest with you, I've received hundreds of messages every single week. I truly wish I could help everyone one on one, but that's not practical. So that's why I give personal support only to my YouTube members. Being a member is different from subscribing. I truly appreciate those who subscribe, share, and comment. But for one on one support, you need an actual membership. What members get is a one on one CV review, cover letter support, job application guidance, country specific advice, real feedback. Many members have already gotten an improved CV. They have started getting their interviews and received serious employer responses. So, if you're a complete beginner and you're wondering how to get a membership, please click the join button under this video, choose a membership plan, complete payment, and bam, boom, you are a member. After joining, send me an email starting with I got the membership, please. That is how I can easily identify those who are members and I can respond to you. Start the email with I got the membership. Then include the country you want to travel to, your qualifications or job role. I will respond promptly as soon as I can. So, if you watched this video to the end, thank you. Thank you for subscribing, sharing, commenting, and supporting this channel. Everything I talked about today, important links, resources, and guidance will be in the description box. Please always read the description. Many people skip it and miss valuable information. Comment New Zealand if you're serious. This is Adenisa and see you in my next video. Bye for now.